Hey guys, welcome to my channel My Food My Way. I got a lot of requests from the Frankie video that how to shred chicken. So today I have made a video about it, and don't skip as I'm going to share a lot of tips throughout the video. So let's start. There are three methods of cooking the chicken. First one is poaching. Here you can see that the breast is a bit thick and it won't get fried evenly, so we'll poach it. This one over here is even, so it will get fried evenly, and the skin will not remove now as a lot of meat is attached to it. This one you can cook it in the pressure cooker with no water in the container for around 3 whistles, or you can also pan fry it. These two here are the extensions of the breast. You can pan fry them, poach them, or cook it in the pressure cooker. But first, let's start with the marination. The ones which you are going to fry or cook it in the pressure cooker, marinate them with ginger garlic paste and some salt. You can see that I have reduced the amount of salt as we'll also season it later. Marinate them well and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and in that time we'll poach the chicken. For poaching the chicken in a kadhai, take some water and then we'll add salt to it. To this we'll also add some spices like peppercorns, cinnamon stick and cloves. To this we'll add our chicken breast. Remember, you need to add your chicken breast in simmering water, not in boiling water. Here I am using an induction, so the water gets heated quickly, but if you are using a stove top, remember, add it to simmering water. Here you can see that the breast has started to turn white. Now we'll flip it as we need to cook the breast evenly, and then again cover it with the lid for around 5 minutes. Here you can see that the breast has fully cooked. If you want to check once again, you can remove and cut it. You don't need to throw this water away. You can use it in gravies, or you can also use it as soup. For the pan frying method, take a pan and then add some oil to it, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Wait for the oil to get hot. The oil should be really hot over here. Spread the oil evenly on the pan. Once you add your chicken, you should hear a sound like this. This means that the oil is hot, and you can now add the chicken breast also. You can see that this one is starting to turn white on the sides. If you are able to move the piece, it means that it's ready to flip. Here I can't really move the breast, so I won't flip it right away. I have got a beautiful color on these two. If you form a crust which is black in color, that's also fine. It gives a fantastic flavor. You can double check by cutting the breast in half to see if it's evenly cooked. Here we have our chicken cooked. This one is the fried and this one is the poached. We won't cut the breast right away as it has a lot of juices in it. Now for shredding the chicken, you have to shred the chicken in one direction. As you can see, my chicken is getting shredded easily in this direction, so I will continue over here. Another method is straight away using your hands. By this method, you can make pieces of the size you want. If you want big chunks, small bits, anything. I like it a bit chunky, so I am keeping the pieces big. If they are too big, you can also tear them apart in small pieces. Here we have our shredded chicken ready. You can eat it as it is or use it in sandwiches, gravy, salads. Season it with some salt, some pepper, chili flakes. The shelf life of this is up to 4 to 5 days in refrigerator and up to 1 month in the freezer if you keep it in an airtight bag. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video.